OpenClaw AI's machine learning model management explained. In this video, we'll delve into effective strategies for managing machine learning models using OpenClaw AI, focusing on organizing, deploying, monitoring, and updating models to ensure optimal performance. Did you know that over 50% of AI projects fail due to poor model management? Welcome to our exploration of OpenClaw AI's machine learning model management. Today, we'll uncover how robust strategies in model management can vastly enhance the accuracy and performance of AI applications. We'll dive into organizing, deploying, and monitoring models effectively, using OpenClaw AI's state-of-the-art tools. Stay with us as we unlock the secrets to efficient model management, a crucial component for successful AI implementations.
In any AI project, having an organized structure for your models is fundamental. With OpenClaw AI, you can categorize and tag models based on their function, performance metrics, or stage of development. This not only makes it easier to access the models when needed but also streamlines the process of updating and deploying them. Imagine a library where every book is in its place, labeled and easy to find. That's the kind of order you should aim for with your AI models. Using OpenClaw AI's intuitive user interface, you can quickly sort and retrieve your models, saving time and reducing errors.
Deploying a model is a crucial phase where the theoretical meets the practical. It's essential to ensure that your model is compatible with the production environment, considering factors like computational resources and integration with existing systems. OpenClaw AI offers powerful deployment tools that simplify this process, allowing for seamless transitions from development to production. It's important to conduct thorough testing in the production environment to identify any potential issues. Once deployed, continuous monitoring ensures the model operates as expected and delivers the desired outcomes. Monitoring your model's performance is vital to ensure that it continues to meet the business objectives. Key performance indicators, such as accuracy, precision, and recall, are essential metrics to track. OpenClaw AI provides comprehensive monitoring tools that offer real-time analytics, allowing you to adjust and refine your models based on lived data. This responsiveness ensures that your models remain accurate and effective over time, adapting to changes in input data and business requirements. Regular monitoring helps in preemptively identifying trends that might impact model performance, enabling proactive management.
Models need to be updated and retrained regularly to remain effective, especially in dynamic environments where data can change rapidly. Deciding when to update a model can be based on performance thresholds or scheduled intervals. OpenClaw AI simplifies the retraining process by automating many of the steps involved. It's crucial to balance the need to update models with the computational resources available. Retraining ensures that your models stay relevant and continue to deliver accurate predictions. By using OpenClaw AI's advanced features, you can efficiently manage the lifecycle of your models. Version control is a critical aspect of managing machine learning models. It involves tracking and managing changes to models over time. This ensures that you can reproduce results, which is essential for auditing and compliance. OpenClaw AI provides robust version control tools that make it easy to track changes and manage multiple versions of a model. By maintaining a clear version history, you can quickly identify which version of a model is performing best and revert to it if necessary. Effective version control also facilitates collaboration among team members, as everyone can work with the same model versions.
Integrating machine learning models into C/CD pipelines can dramatically improve the efficiency and reliability of your deployments. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, C/CD, provide a framework for automating the deployment process, reducing the time it takes to get models into production. OpenClaw AI supports C/CD integration, allowing for seamless updates and ensuring that models are deployed consistently and quickly. This automation means that updates can be pushed to production faster, with less risk of human error, and ensures that the models in production are always the latest versions.
OpenClaw AI offers a suite of tools designed to make model management more efficient and user-friendly. These tools encompass everything from version control to deployment and monitoring, all accessible through an intuitive interface. With features that enhance efficiency, such as automated alerts and detailed analytics, OpenClaw AI empowers teams to manage their models effectively. These tools also facilitate collaboration by providing shared access and detailed activity logs, making it easier for teams to work together on model development and management. Leveraging these tools can significantly enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of your AI projects. As we wrap up our deep dive into OpenClaw AI's machine learning model management, remember the key strategies discussed: organizing, deploying, monitoring, updating, and integrating models. Effective model management isn't just a one-time setup but an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation. We invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and consider sharing it with your network. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.